Hello students, as we have started with our chapter exponents and powers, and let's see what are the uses of exponent. See here, if you are given, here it is given distance of earth from sun is. What the distance is given? We are having 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 billion, million, 10 million, 100 million. So we are having 149,600,000 kilometers. So it was not very convenient to write and read this very large number. So for that, this number can be written as 1.496 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer, right? Similarly, we are having mass of Earth. It's a very large number, right? It's very large number is there. So it is not convenient to even read and not convenient to write it down also. So for this, we are having this number can be written as 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So it is very convenient to read also and to write also. Okay. Yes, now comes the scientific notation or standard form. Any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1 and 10, including 1 and excluding 10, multiplied by a power of 10. See, for example, if you are having, suppose you are having 200. Right? So 200 you can write as 2 into 10 to the power 2. 2 is what? A decimal number, right? 2.0. 2 into 10 to the power 2. So what the statement is saying, any number can be expressed as a decimal number between 1 and 10. The number is lying between 1 and 10 multiplied by a power of 10. So it is the number is lying between 1 and 10 and it is multiplied by powers of 10, right? Suppose if you are having 52,000 you are having. So this can be written as 5.2 into 10 to the power 4, right? If you multiply and solve it down, you will get obviously this number, right? If you are having suppose 7,000, so this is equal to 7 into 10 to the power 3. So you can see here any number whatever I am taking that can be written in the form of such that the number is lying between 1 and 10. This number you can see that these are decimal numbers and this is lying between 1 to 10, right? And it is multiplied by the power of 10. All are the powers of 10. Okay. Now see, converting numbers to scientific notation. What steps you have to follow while if you are having any number, then you have to write it into standard notation or scientific notation, right? Move the decimal point to left till you get just one non-zero digit to the left of decimal point. Okay. And second point is write the given number as the product of number so obtained and 10 to the power n, where n is the number of places the decimal point moved to the left. These points can be understood by taking some examples. Suppose you are having here 5, 2 and you are having 0, 0, 0, 0. Right? You are having this number. Means you are having 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 5 lakh, 20,000 number you are having. And you have to write this number in the scientific notation or in the standard form. So, if there is no decimal, means it's a very large number and decimal is in the end. If nowhere decimal is there, it is understood that the decimal is always after the ones digit. So, after the ones digit decimal is here. And now we have to move this decimal to left side. What is the left side, back side? We have to move the decimal to left hand side till we reach just one non-zero digit before the decimal. So, we have to put the decimal between 5 and 2. This will be equal to, we are expressing this number in the standard form as 5.2. We have moved this decimal place which was in the end to here. Means just before the decimal place, one non-zero digit should be there. Right? We have moved decimal and now this should be multiplied by 10 to the power. How many movements the decimal point has done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 movement decimal has done because decimal was here and now the decimal is here between 5 and 2. So between 2 decimal how many places we are having? 5. So power will go for 5. This is written in the form of points. What is the first statement is saying? Move the decimal point to the left. So we have moved the decimal point to the left till you get just one non-zero digit to the left of the decimal point. Means before the decimal point only one non-zero digit should be there. So we have moved till here, right? And then what is the power of n? 10. Power of 10 will go for what is the value of n? The number of movements of the decimal we have done. So how many movements we have done here? 5. So this is the scene here. Again you can see one more example. Suppose you are having 729 and 000 you are having. Right? Then again, where is the decimal? It is in the last. Right? And now we have to move this decimal till we are getting a non-zero digit just before the decimal. So just before the decimal means before decimal only one digit should be there. And what will be that digit? 7. So 7.29 multiplied by 10 to the power. See how many movements you have done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also power is 5. If you are having example like, suppose you are having 843.26. Right? Decimal is suppose here. Right? But this is not the standard form, because in the standard form before decimal only one non-zero digit should be there. So here also the decimal will move to 2 places back, that is 8.4326 multiplied by 10 to the power. How much movement you have done? You have moved decimal from there to here, right? So you have done 2 movement only, so power will go for 2. Okay? Now see the example. Write the following in standard form. First number you are having as 529.7. So we have to write it in the standard form, means we have to move the decimal place in such a way just before the decimal only one non-zero digit should be there. So we are having the decimal here. So we have to move the decimal from there to here, because just before the decimal only one digit should be there. So 5 is the only number, and after that what we have to put the decimal. What number left we are having? 297 into 10 to the power. How much movement I have done? I have moved back, that is left hand side how many digits? 2 digits. Decimal place is moved 2 digits, so power will go for 2. Again here, where is the decimal? There is no decimal, means it is at the last, in the end. Now I have to move the decimal from there to till 7 and 5, between 7 and 5 decimal will come. So this will be equal to 7.529 into 10 to the power. What will be the power? Count down the digits between 2 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So power will go for 9. Okay. Now see the second example. You are having, write the following in usual decimal notation. Means the standard form has been given and we have to write the general number or usual form for that. So as we are moving the left hand side, when we are writing the standard form, now the power is 4. So decimal will move to the right hand side, right? So we are having 237. Decimal is here. So we have already moved 2 places, but power is 4, so we have to move for 4 places, and there is no number over there, so I have to add 0 over there. Now decimal has moved from there, and after that I have moved to 4 decimal places in the right hand side, because the power is 4. Now see here, again we are having question like 6.201 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. So I have to move on, we have to move the decimal to right hand side. How many places? 7 places. So 6201. 3 places already I had moved. So 4 more places I need. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros I have to put. Okay? Yes. Now see, comparing numbers in standard form. If 2 numbers has been given in standard form and we have to do the comparison between them, which is greater and which is less. So number with greater power of 10 is greater. Whoever is having greater power of 10, that will be the bigger number, that will be the greater number. But if powers of 10 are equal in both numbers, suppose the powers are same in both the numbers, then compare their significance. Okay, we have to compare the significance, means whatever decimal number we are having, that we have to do the comparison in. For example, see, compare the following. First part we are having as 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 and 1.5 into 10 to the power 7. We have to compare these two numbers. So first we will see the power of 10. Power of 10 is here 12 and power of 10 is here 7. So which is greater? Obviously this is greater. So 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 to the power 7 because this number is having bigger power of 10, right? And in the second case, what we are having? 3.467 into 10 to the power 7 and 5.03 into 10 to the power 7. So 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 7, both are having the powers of 10 as same. So we have to compare the significant. This is the significant here and this is the significant here, that is the decimal number what we are having. So 3.467 and 5.03. So obviously 5.03 will be greater than this, hence 3.467 into 10 to the power 7 is less than 5.03 into 10 to the power 7. Okay. Now numbers in expanded form. Expansion of every number can be written using powers of 10 in the exponent. For example, as we have studied in the junior classes also, suppose you have to do the expansion of 3472, right? That is 3472. So in the junior class we have studied that this is 3472, means expanded form for this is how much? 3000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 2. So how we are doing with this expansion one? For each and every digit we are writing the place value for that. What is the place value of 3? That is 3000. What is the place value of 4? That is 400. Place value of 7 is 70 and place value of 2 is 2. So we are adding all the place values of all the digits, right? And this can be written as 3 into 10 to the power, how many zeros are there? 3. So power will go for 3 plus 4 into 10 to the power 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into, if there is no 10, so we can write 10 to the power 0 over there, right? So we can do expansion of every number can be written in the power of 10. So we have used the powers of 10 here. Similarly, you can see one more example. Suppose you are having number as 49062. Okay, so this can be written as 4 with 4 zeros plus 9 with 3 zeros plus 0 plus 60 plus 2. That is in the usual way we are written. But in the we have to do the expansion in which we are using the powers of 10. In the exponent form we have to write. Okay. So that will be equal to 4 into 10 to the power. How many zeros are there? 4. So power will go for 4. 9 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into, or you write or you can leave it, that is your choice, but you can write in the sequence 6 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. Okay, so kindly go through the video and understand the concept. Okay.